to the trap house. Got the phone still going ham. You niggas is goofies. Hello? What up, man? What's up, man? Alright, man, you gotta wait a minute, man, cause I just came over there for you. On some bullshit. You gotta come though, come on. Nigga, they don't know nothing. You ain't know nothing, cuz. I'm finna rap this Drizzy Drake Uptown. Yeah. We from Uptown, that means up north. We down south, bitch, and we slangin', bitch. Doing this shit, we got the white geeks down south there, y'all. They suckin' hillbillies, they fucking country, they ride fucking horses, they got fucking farms, they got a lot of trucks. I'm talking dually trucks, they got a lot of bread, and nigga, guess what? We going ahead, we going sky high, skies is the limit. What we doing, bitch? We going to the limit. The sky is the limit, bitch, we ain't gon' stop. We high up in the clouds, swagging through the roof, swagging through the sky, swagging through the ceilings. Like you say, bitch, we ain't got no ceilings. Featuring Wayne, bitch, we can't feel our face. We got this great kush, rolling up this grape. We call it frosted flakes, it's very frosty, bitch. And guess what, bitch? It is sticky shit. It's sticky, icky, and green as fuck, dog. And what we doing, bitch? We smoking on this shit. Yeah.
I never really gave a fuck. I had my 9, my deuce, my 5, I let it bust. These niggas acting tough, they don't wanna fuss. Cause I'ma come through with them choppers that'll fuck you up. Y'all niggas ain't know nothing, y'all just need to stop stunting. Y'all all know that y'all is frontin', y'all ain't getting cake. If y'all really had that cake, then y'all would be dead. Or like a steak, medium rare. Making shit, baking classes, this is home ec. Y'all niggas straight lames, y'all care about sex. We care about them checks, gotta get that grass. We smoke that kush, and everything's first class. Big bags, hoes with fat ass. We don't have to brag, they see it when we pass. They love the damn swag. Hoes think they gon' get that cash, but we still tight on that shit. And I ain't even writing, bitch, we freestyling. Really just talking, reciting shit. Real slick like a pimp. Call the boy Goldie. Better calm down like T.I. cause you don't know me. Yeah. Young Reese, bitch. It's okay.
Off the top of our heads in the trap house, rolling up kush. We in this bitch by ourselves right now, bitch. Nigga, 2 in the morning, nigga, we in the trap house. We doing the graveyard shit in this bitch tonight, bitch. You see us, nigga? Fuck you mean, nigga. Gucci in this bitch, Gucci, nigga, all that. Ooh. Yeah.
Young Reese.
Young Reese,
that
nigga.
Boy Cash in this bitch.
Yeah.
AKA Gucci Boy.
Yeah.
Just another day in the motherfucking trap. Just another day trying to make this fucking rap. Club steady calling, we can't get no sleep. But we don't give a fuck. Like a boxer, we stay on our feet. Move around 10 toes and we fucking plenty hoes. Just so we got plenty gold and we don't rock no rose gold. Man, we rock the Super Bowl. Platinum shit off in our neck. Platinum shit off in our ear. Nigga, make your hoe disappear. She gon' leave with the crew. GMB, we get the dough. Hoes better get low for BBG, gon' let it blow. Young Reese, ESB, YNR Peach Street. 93rd is Peach Street. Do the damn DV. Duddy, do the stupid motherfucking dumb coochie. Y'all niggas are straight goofies. Y'all wish y'all would shoot me. Y'all niggas can't shoot me. And your bitch wanna do me. and your niggas gon' salute me. When I ride through in that coupe, yeah, they love that fucking coupe. And it's really fruity. Cash tryna get a range, he gon' fucking do it. Y'all don't wanna do shit, y'all niggas is straight sweet. Like peppermint, Kool-Aid, or some damn red meat.
Pussy. Yeah. Like what you say? We in the motherfucking trap house, spin the cash out. All the fucking grants on our way to the stash out. Cause we getting it in, we in this shit to the end. We trapping all day in the motherfucking trap house. 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, we doing the graveyard shift. All the way to 12 o'clock in the morning. That means 24 hours, dog, we horny. All this fucking money, we got that money. We making money all day, honey. We ain't coming home, bitch. See you later, mommy. I'm making money, and I'm gon' bring it to the fucking safety. And you gon' lock it down with the fucking padlock, and you gon' hold it down. I need 10 racks to get out the jam. I see police lights in front of the damn crib. I might be tweaking, cause I'm in the trap house. I'm fucking paranoid, and we make a lot of noise, cause we selling juke, and we own this shit. We better watch our back. They got cameras watching us, but we watching them from our fucking window. We got the blind seat, and we watching, and we got them cameras outside watching. And what we doing, we motherfucking trapping, and we ain't going. We stay slapping 24 hours, 7 days a week, bitch. Catch us in this motherfucking trap house. We on 9th Street, and we outside, steady in this fucking trap. And they know what, geeks know where the two fucking come now. They know we in the motherfucking trap now.
Yeah.
They know we up now.
Yeah.
It's about 3 now.
Yeah.
At 5 we going to be up how? How them boys stay up off all that damn week, and they be fucked up, but we always get what we need to get. Fucking fix, bitch. We got that medicine. We got your fucking meds, bitch. Yeah.